subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome to Smart Sky. Today, we will learn how to make stairs in Blender. If you want similar video like this, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon. Select the default cube, press Tab to edit mode. Click on Edge Select. Select one of the edge. Press Ctrl+B and hold left click to bevel. Click Custom. Select Steps. Change number of segments. Press Tab to Object Mode. Click on Material Properties. Change the color that you want, click Render Preview. That's all. Today's tutorial is over. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe this channel, and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.